My name is Michael Decker, and I'm a lawyer within the law offices of Gordon Decker, Pex and Brosh. Today I wanted to discuss regarding an in-depth audit for either an Amuta or a company for the benefit of the public. Our office represents many Amutot and many companies for the benefit of the public. We help register them and we help to maintain them and to make sure they're properly managed and that they're entitled to a proper management certificate. In order to obtain a proper management certificate, which entitles many Amutot either to government funding or to breaks in taxation, such as municipal taxation and so on and so forth, the Amuta needs to be properly managed. And in order to be properly managed, there are various requirements that are basically set within the proper management regulations of the Registrar of Amutot or the Registrar of Public Endowments. Some of these requirements entail that the board members aren't earning salaries, that they're not family related, that they're not related to the audit committee, that the board operates according to the written objectives, financial transparency, that the funds are being used to advance the objectives, the proper financial reports are submitted each year, and when an Amuta or a company for the benefit of the public are properly managed, they can obtain a proper management certificate. But it doesn't end there, and the Ministry of Justice, which oversees the Amutot Registrar and the Registrar of Public Endowments, privatizes what's called in-depth audits to private accounting firms. And these accounting firms, almost to any Amuta or any company for the benefit of the public, will open what's called an in-depth audit. And in this in-depth audit, they will basically investigate the maintenance and the proper maintenance of Amutot and companies for the benefit of the public, and they will really dig deep into every area of the Amuta or the company for the benefit of the public, and in the end of this in-depth audit they will write a report. The report can be with flying colors, which is very rare. It can include recommendations which the Amuta or the company for the benefit of the public will need to adhere to and fix all the various mistakes that will be found, and then the Amuta or the company of the benefit for the benefit of the public can obtain a proper management certificate, and it can include many recommendations to be fixed, and sometimes the report can be very, very bad as well, which almost leaves no room for correction. Of course, due to the severity of an in-depth audit, it's recommended to hire the assistance of a professional law firm that has experience with Amutot and with companies for the benefit of the public. But it's not enough just to hire an experienced firm after an in-depth audit begins, and it would be wise to already consult with expert lawyers before an in-depth audit to make sure that the maintenance is proper. Because even if you hire a lawyer when an in-depth audit begins, a lawyer cannot erase retroactively problematic maintenance of a non-for-profit entity. Our office helps many non-profits in Israel, Amutot and companies for the benefit of the public, with ongoing representation and with in-depth audits, and we'll be happy to assist you as well. You can feel free to contact us with any questions or clarifications regarding this video, and we're here at your service. Thank you for your time.